Earthquake warning signs. Before the occurrence of an earthquake, there are some indicators which may be observed. The following are the earthquake warning signs. Number 1, thermal indicator. Before the occurrence of an earthquake, there is increase in temperature. However, the rate of temperature tends to increase rapidly when the day of an earthquake approaches. Number 2, water indicator. Before the occurrence of an earthquake, there is rise or fall in water levels of water bodies. This is caused by the disturbance of water flow. However, there is also the sudden and rapid increase or decrease of water flow in rivers. Number 3, seismo-electromagnetic indicator. Before the occurrence of an earthquake, there is reduction of geomagnetic field, which affects the propagation of electromagnetic waves of radios, televisions, and telephones. Number 4, animal indicator. Before the occurrence of an earthquake, animals become highly disturbed and restless. They move in directionless manner and in fear. This is because animals have high audibility range. Number 5, human indicator. Before the occurrence of an earthquake, patients in hospitals become highly disturbed. They exhibit the rise in blood pressure, heart trouble, headache, and respiratory disorders.